Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Khalid here. We had him before this time with a song called Satellite. So he's aiming for the stars. And yeah, he reached pretty far with the song Satellite. Cool, fun song to learn and play. So let's start with this one. No need for any cape on this. And we will have 6 chords to handle here. So let's start with the chords. We have first the E minor, open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Then we have the B minor. So that's a bar here on the second fret from the A string and down. That means 5 strings from bottom up on the second fret here. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Then we have A minor. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. G next, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. C, that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so there we have the chords E minor, B minor, A minor, G, C, and D. Now, before we look at the chord progression, we're going to learn the strumming pattern that will work for the song. And the first chord will be A minor, so grab that one. So with A minor, it will sound like this for one round. Okay, so that is down, up, clap, up. Down, up, clap, up. Down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up. The tempo is something like that. So let's go over the chord progression, and we're gonna have same chord progression almost through the entire song except for one bridge part. We'll look at that pretty soon. But first this one, and you will play 2 strumming rounds per chord, and the chord progression will be A minor, G, C, and D. So 2 per chord will be like this. A minor, G, G, C, C, and D. All right, so you play that till about 2 minutes straight into the song, and there you have a bridge part, and that's where you just sing satellite, satellite, and so on. Here we're gonna change the chord progression. So you're gonna play 2 Ds, 2 Cs, 2 E minors, and 2 B minors. So D2, C2, E minor 2, and B minor 2. That chord progression you're gonna play for two rounds. So with the strumming, it sounds like this. Second round, D, D, C, C, E minor, and B minor. Alright, and after this bridge part, that will be the end of its 2 rounds, comes a chorus part. You will play that in the same way as you played when it comes to the chords. And the only difference here is you're just gonna play 1 down per chord. So you're gonna play A minor, G, C, D, and you're gonna go for almost 2 rounds. A minor, G on the second round, and C. And there is a longer pause after the C. So just skip the last D for the second round, and then after that starts the strumming, and that is what you're gonna play till the end of this song. So that pretty much covers Khalid's Satellite. A very easy song to play actually. So just get to learn the strumming pattern, and it's pretty much in the same way through the entire song. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope to see you soon. Play tuned.